Hi Applied Maths students, welcome to our channel Maths Plus U. Now we are doing Unit 3A, Differentiation and its Application, Case-Based Questions. Actually this is the last concept in our Unit 3A. Okay, and now see my case study 1. A farmer has a piece of land. He observes that he got 600 units of fruits per tree by planting up to 25 trees. Okay, 25 trees now he is getting 600 units. Okay, per tree. That means how many fruits now? 25 into 600 you want to multiply to get it. Okay, va? So when 26 trees are there, then he received 15210 units. They didn't say for per tree, they said overall 15,210 units he got getting when 26 trees were grown. 27 trees were grown, it ended up into 15,390 fruits. 28 trees, 15,540 fruits. This sequence of production of fruits continue in the same pattern as more trees in the excess of 25 were grown. Excess of 25 like this. 25 na they said no. 600 units, 600 into 25 So like that 26 trees, 27 trees, 28 trees. Like that this sequence was followed. Clear, Amma? So then, based on the above information, answer the following question. Children, actually they have given the options. Okay, va? First it was case based questions was there in the MCQs. Now you know they are not going to ask in MCQ, but same type of question without having MCQ, they can ask. This type of question important in 4-mark level. Case based question is 4-mark level in 2023 to 2024 pattern. So it's important. Okay. So now what and all the data? A number of fruits if 25 trees were grown. We already done it. 600 into 25, 1500. Number of fruits if 26 trees, they itself said 15,210. Okay. So then 15,390. Actually it is not 1500, it's 15,000. 0 will be added. Number of fruits if 25 trees were grown. Okay. Okay. So that is 15,000 and 26 tree na 15,210, 27 tree na 15,390 and 28 trees na 15,540. These are they have given. So what we going to do now? Number of fruits per tree. Okay, that means for 25 trees is there, per tree have getting 600 fruits. 26 trees were there na. The 15,210 you divide with 26. Okay, so you are getting 585. 27 trees were there now. 15,390 divided with 27 getting 570. 28 trees were there now. 15,540 divided by 555. Can you find the order? 600, 15 you subtracted 585. 585, 15 you subtracted 570. 570, 15 you subtracted 555. So this sequence only you are using. If X more trees in the excess of 25 are grown, number of fruits produced per tree. So as I said you, 600 minus 15 ones are 600 minus 15 twos are 600 minus 15 threes are. So number of fruits per tree is general is 600 minus 15x. They have given very clearly options, so no issues for you. But anyway, even they are not given option also, you have to do this sense. Clear? For the sequence 26, 27, 28 trees, how much you are getting, accordingly we can go for. Then the second one, the production of entire garden. What? If X more trees in excess of 25 trees are planted. So how much is planted on extra? 25 trees, excess of 25. Excess of 25 is 25 plus X. So how much production they're talking? Into number of fruits per tree. Number of fruits per tree only now we found 600 minus 15x. Multiplied with 25 plus x. Actually, we may stop here. Why we can stop here now? They have given what? In the options like that. Now, we can just stop there. But I already said case-based question. Now, we are not going to have an option. So, we can multiply inside. If they are not given option, I will prefer you to multiply inside. 25 into 600 you multiply now, you are getting 15,000. 25 into minus 15x, you will get minus 375x. X into 600, 600x, x into minus 15x, minus 15x square. We all know, children, minus 15x square quadratic equation, like a degree 2 that we have written first. Then 600 and 375x we are subtracting. because different sign. So we are getting plus 225x plus 15,000. Clear, check. So then the third subdivision question is the marginal production of the garden when X more trees in excess of 25 are planted. So marginal production, marginal, the word comes now itself, you have to differentiate. Marginal revenue, you have to differentiate the revenue. Okay, marginal cost, differentiate the cost. Marginal production, differentiate the production. Production, we have found it as F equals minus 15x square plus 225x plus 15,000. Actually, why you are not keeping P? P already have price or profit or like that more terms we are using. So only for production we are not using the word P, we are using F. You may use any variable. So df by dx. So differentiate minus 15 x squared differentiation 2x children plus 225 x differentiation 1 plus 15,000 differentiation 0 because it's a constant. My 15 2s are minus 30x 225 into 1 225. Clear, check. Marginal production is that. Then critical points, we all know critical points how to do. We have to differentiate and have to equate with 0. Already df by dx we know. We found last time. So equate with 0. Plus 225 goes that side now, minus 225. Minus and minus gets cancelled. Negative gets cancelled. Then x equals 225 divided by 30. So again you have a cancelling in the 15 table. So 15 15s are 225. 15 2s are 30. 15 by 2 you are cancelling. You are getting 7.5. So 7.5 is your critical point. So the number of trees to be grown to get the maximum production is 25 plus x. We know that. So the 25, the x value is 7.5. So 25 plus x is 32.5. Sir, why is it 32.5? You are writing it as 32 or 33? Let it be 33, no sir, or let it be 32. So no sir, like that you ask now. They have given in the option like that. If you just check the option, so they said it like a 30 or 31, 32 or 33, like that they have given two options. So we are choosing it. Even they are not given also, now you know how they are doing, so we can do like a or. Okay, yeah, otherwise if you are writing just 32 or 33 also they should consider, but better now we know when the 0.5 is coming they are keeping both as or. Now we also can do in the exam also like this. Clear, check. So now case study 2. So it's actually easy. A manufacturing company manufactures toy. The company observe the following cost at different production level. Actually, so they have some what criteria? Number of toys manufactured. So if you see properly, 100 toys, 150, 200, 250, 300. So toys manufacturing is different. And for raw material cost also, it differs. 400 is increased if I am correct. Then cost of production supply also it differs. I think 1000 increases. Cost of freight also it differs. 500 increases. But property tax, whatever toys you are manufacturing, property tax is same. Salary, whatever your toys are manufacturing, salary are same. So what you have to understand now, whichever it's not at all changing, that we will call it as a fixed cost, FC. And whichever going to change accordingly, that we will call it as a variable cost, VC. So that you understood now, this concept will be easy for you. Fixed cost and variable cost. So based on the above information, answer the following. Which are the following is a fixed cost? Like that they said, number of toys manufactured. So number of toys manufactured is going to be vary, so that is not fixed. Cost of raw material, that also changing, that is not fixed. Cost of production supply, that is also changing, it's not fixed. Salaries 20,000, it's fixed. So which is your fixed cost now? That is salaries. Since the option salaries are there, so normally fixed cost they are asking in the exam the same question without option. Property tax also fixed cost for you. Salary is also fixed cost for you. So you should understand both. Since they given the option only salaries, we are keeping it salaries. Then you want to find total cost C of x of toys for x units of production. We are going to find C of x. After that, third question, P they have given, and we are going to find revenue. You know revenue formula Px. Then marginal revenue, you have to differentiate. Marginal word comes answer, you have to differentiate the revenue. Then P of x equal to R of x minus C of x, they have told. Okay. So as I already discussed, fixed cost is salary. As I said, not only salary, we can keep fixed cost as even property tax. Okay, total cost function. How we are doing? If x is 100, variable cost will be, as I said, 800, 2000 and 1000. These all variable cost. Correct? Check ma. What and all variable cost for 100? 800, 2000, 1000. These all variable cost for 100 toys manufactured. 150 toys, 1200, 3000 and 15,000. These are variable costs. Anyway, fixed cost is 20,000 plus 5,000, 25,000. That is common for all, no change. Only for each toys, number of toys are manufacturing, these three only going to change. So that's only we are writing here as, if x is 100, variable cost we see shortly 800 plus 2000 plus 1000 is equal to 3800. We may write it as 38 into 100. Fixed cost is 25,000. One time only we can write enough. Anyway, that 25,000 is common for all. So x equals to 150. The VC is next time 1200, 3000 and 1500. We already saw 5700. 38. 38 and 150 if you multiply, we are getting that 5700. Sir, we'll get us like that, na? Yes, we will get it. So now x 200, na? Again you add 1600, 4200 and all, 7600, and you're getting 38 into 200. So like this is going on, 38 multiple, 38 into 250, 38 into 300, like that, it's so on. So cost function C of x is 38x. X is 100 na 100, 150 na 150, 200 na 200, 250 na 250. Like that, the x is variable cost. Plus 25,000 is fixed cost. So cost function is nothing but variable cost plus fixed cost. Clear actually. Then third one, if the company observes the price P per unit of the item sold, P equals 5000 minus 10x, where the x is the number of units sold. Find the revenue function. We all know R of x equals to Px, price, into the number of item. Okay? So in that way, both we are multiplying 5000 minus 10x into x. So 5000 into x, 5000x, minus 10x into x minus 10x square. That's it, revenue function is over. Marginal revenue, as we already discussed, marginal, the word comes now itself, going to differentiate. So revenue, so going to differentiate the revenue, R dash of x, or dr by dx. So can you differentiate the revenue, R of x? So 5000x differentiation. 5000 is a constant, kf of x differentiation is kf dash of x, so 5000 into 1. Minus 10x square differentiation, minus 10 into 2x. So 5000 minus 20x is a marginal revenue. Then if the profit function P of x equals R of x minus C of x is given now, so you're going to apply both, you subtract it, 5000x minus 10x square minus of 38x plus 25,000. So minus, if you multiply inside, minus 38x, then minus 25,000. So 5000x and 38x if subtracted, 4962x minus 10x square minus 25,000. Students, successfully we have completed Unit 3A differentiation and its application. Kindly, whoever not completed, start writing fully. Definitely it will be useful for you. Kindly forward to applied mathematics students. Thank you.